This lighting sucks, but I'm going to make some banana bread, and I got some walnuts to put in it because you can't have good banana bread without walnuts. And instead of doing it like a loaf, I want to do muffins, and hopefully this can just be something like nice and quick that I can eat for breakfast. Just like grab them and not have to worry about it, and even just like a little snack. That hurt my hand. So I just really wish it was like fall vibes right now, and it's clearly not. So I'm watching Halloween Town and I'm baking. I didn't really want to like bake and all the like hassle of all that. So I just got this like banana bread mix, and I'm going to throw some walnuts in it because banana bread without walnuts is disgusting. Walnuts are what makes the banana bread really good. And I'm not gonna make it in like a loaf form. I'm gonna make it in a muffin tin. So yeah. Also, because we just moved into this apartment, we literally have like nothing in our fridge or anything. And on here, it said to use oil. And I'm just now seeing that it says vegetable oil, and I got olive oil. But then it says for if you're doing muffins to use butter, and we do not have butter, and I do not want to go to the store to get butter. So I'm gonna try it with the olive oil and hope it works still. So if this turns out to be a fail, oops. But yeah, I'm just kind of craving some like baked stuff, and this will be like super easy just to grab for like breakfast or little snacks and stuff. So let's get started. Have the bowl, and then I'm pretty sure I just throw everything into this bowl and we're good. Let's see. Oh, let's preheat the oven. Okay, now we can mix everything. So I have not updated I've been a bit MIA for a while. And I've just been super busy. I moved into my new apartment and I didn't vlog. Oh my god, this smells like baby food. Like, okay, I don't know if any of you know this, but those little like baby, like, oh my god, I don't even know what they're called. They like come in like a little tube, and they're like almost like Cheerios, but they like melt a lot for like babies. But this literally smells like the banana one of that, and it's kind of tripping me out. Pour the water. Also, this is the only measuring me cup we have, and I don't know how to use this, so I hope that was right. Okay, let me just do this. So yeah, we moved, and we like moved everything down, and then I went back up to SAC, and then I went to visit my boyfriend, and then went back to SAC, and then came here with my cousin and my sister. And then they left like a day or two ago, and then my roommate is getting here tomorrow. So I've been here for like a day or 2 days now, I think, alone. And I've just been like trying to adjust to the new apartment and trying to get everything like fixed up and all of that. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't really been doing much. I wasn't feeling too great yesterday, so I kind of was just chilling in my room, and then yeah, I don't really have much of an update other than that. Oh yeah, back to what I was gonna say. I didn't really vlog like any of the moving in process just because my roommate was moving in at the same time as me, and it was kind of chaotic. We had like a lot of people helping us, which I'm super grateful for, But there was like 10 people helping us move from like a lot of people from like my family and from her family as well. And so it was just very like hectic and a lot to like control and all of that. So I decided it would just be best to kind of just focus on the moving and to just record what I could like after everyone left. And also I just wanted to, I also haven't been like doing any vlogs or like recording anything because I just wanted to spend like as much time as I could with my family and stuff before I moved away. So I am here in San Diego now, like here to stay. We don't have a spatula, so I'm slowly starting to see like the things that we need to go buy. So this is the only like spoon I could find, so this is what we're gonna use. Yeah, so, oh gosh, what was I saying? Oh, I am here in San Diego to stay. No more going anywhere for me. Kind of said all my goodbyes, sadly. And I start school, well, I think I don't know. My school told me that we were supposed to start on the 30th, which is what I thought, but we have our immersion. So every quarter we're gonna have an immersion orientation kind of thing. So I don't really know what to expect from that, but that's what we have on the 30th. So that was a lot of walnuts. Oh well, I like walnuts in it. Yeah, so on the 30th we have our immersion, which I will for sure vlog that. But I don't really know too much besides that. Actually, I'm gonna add some more walnuts. That was not enough. I like it very walnutty. Yeah, so on the 30th, I'll have more like information and stuff. But we are going to be doing patho, I believe, and a like cultural belief or like nursing cultural beliefs kind of class. I don't 100% know what I keep forgetting like what the actual like course name for that class is. But from what I remember, I think it was like almost just like a cultural anthropology class, but like how it more closely relates or like how to apply that to nursing or something like that. So that, yeah, got our mix all done. A beaut. Muffins are done, or they're not done. They are in the tin. The oven still not heated up yet, so I'm just waiting on that. And until then, I guess I'm just gonna relax and watch some more Halloween Town. So excited for fall this year, and like Halloween especially. Just have a lot of like little things to do before my roommate gets here, or housemate. I've just got to like clean up the kitchen a little bit and organize the pantry because that is a disaster, as well as the fridge because that is also a disaster that I need to clean. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, clean up. Also, I don't know why, but like I hate how oil, like lots of oil looks like. It makes me feel disgusted. That just needs to be reorganized so she comes back to a nice little place. Just pouring the salt into this little thing, guys, so we can like pinch and sprinkle. It'll be so much more convenient. Oh gosh, that could have been so bad. I had the muffins right underneath where I was doing that, and the muffins literally could have just gone so ruined if I spilled all the salt all over them. And the oven is ready. what we're working with. I know it's a lot of like junk food and stuff, but it's from when like everyone was here visiting. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna try to organize all this. We have a lot of like space up here that maybe I'll put some of this stuff in. I'm not 100% sure how we want to split up our cabinets, so I'm just gonna do something knowing that it might be changed. Also, the dishwasher is going, so it's super loud right now, sorry. The temporary solution. I really need to find something to put my tea in, like a little organizer. I thought I had one, but I don't know where it went. And then I also need to find something to like put my produce in. So yeah, I'm not that happy with it, but it is what it is at this point. Let's check on our muffins. Ooh, they look good. Oh my gosh, my glasses just fogged up so much. I think they're done. Okay, I poked that one with a fork, but they're done. They don't look that great, but they're gonna be delicious. I should have like done a sprinkle of walnut on top. That would have been super cute. Oh well. Done. There's like a few little things of like wires that I'm not super happy about, but also I don't really know how else to hide and deal with, so it is what it is. So let's start at my front door. Okay, so here's the view from my front door. A little overview. My closet's right there, and the bathroom is in here. Just have some shelves right here. Ignore that. Got my little fridge, bathroom, and then cute little shower. And then we go to my closet. I have like a nice little walk-in closet situation. It's a little boring in there, so not much to see. And then we turn back towards the door, and I have my dresser, and then this is how it decorated on top. This is one of the cords that I could bring the bookshelf right there, but I feel like it would look kind of weird, so let me know what your thoughts are. And then I have this little corner, which I need to change those knobs. I just haven't gotten to it yet, but I love my little like salt lamp and my big lamp and this little calendar, and just like this whole corner is such a vibe. I love it. My bed is the same from when I was living back at home, so might look similar. And then we have my little book cart. I didn't bring all of my books from home, and I have some in the bookshelf in our living room, so this is all I have in my room. My mirror is also from home, and then this is the other cord that is annoying. I have this little basket and trash can, and then here is my desk. Super cute. I have like a ton of storage with those drawers, and it's also the desk I had back home. And then I just hung up like all my paintings and everything. And then this is the view from my room. I love these like trees being there, and yeah, that's it. So that's my room. I'm loving living here, and having like my own bathroom and everything is super nice. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I start school this Monday, so I will vlog that and everything for you all. We also have an immersion, so before every quarter, okay, let me sit down. So before every quarter, we have an immersion, which is them just kind of talking about, I'm not 100% sure because we haven't had it yet, but I think it's just them like talking about the things we need to know for that semester. And then when we do start like clinicals and things like that, that's where we're gonna go over like making sure we have all of our clinical paperwork done and that stuff. So we have our first one on the 30th, the day we start school. So I will bring you along for that. And yeah, I'm super excited for school to start. But I'm also pretty scared. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to see the beginning of my nursing career.